And this morning, I need a piggy doll.
Good morning. Say happy
Happy Sun
Friday. Ano, Thursday.
Wednesday.
Thursday. Oh my God.
And a piggy doll.
You got Play-Doh. Kakatapos ko lang i-prepare yung lunch ni Ayla. She's going to school today. Kahapon akala ko hindi na makaka-school kasi may temperature siya kahapon. But naging okay naman. Okay naman siya. She slept early, woke up on time. She's good. Kasi di ba may sakit si Eli nung nagpunta kami ng weekend sa kanila. And nahawa ng konti yung mga bata. So inubo si Ayla. Pero hindi naman grabe. Tapos nung Wednesday kasi yung school ng start. Wednesday kasi ang start ng school niya. Okay na siya. So, pumasok siya nung Wednesday, kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, pumasok siya. Dumating siya ng bahay, okay siya. Nung hapon, medyo nagka-temperature siya. Tapos, she's been taking paracetamol. And okay naman siya. Kagabi, okay na okay siya. Ngayon, okay siya. So, she's going to school. You're going to school. Take off your pajamas, Bob. Yeah. And then tomorrow too. Tomorrow is your last day of school this week.
Hello guys, I'm eating toast for breakfast, and there's one toast left because I ate all the other toast. I made my mom to use these for my hair.
I did. I gave her a kiss already. You gave her a kiss too. Does she love you? That's good. I love Indy.
Mom, I like this toast. Go holidays. It's coming along.
What?
School holidays are coming along.
No, not yet.
But you said no school for the day.
No, after tomorrow, you have... No, actually, you don't get a break yet. You get a break after Saturday.
Okay, Mama.
Tomorrow's Friday. You want strawberries? I'll finish your banana first.
I'm learning the big school first.
Hmm?
I'm learning the big school first.
Yeah. So you can bring the boxes into there, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
You want this?
Yeah. And the bowl.
And that bow is for little hair, Bob.
No, is it?
No? Can you choose something else? Because that's for Indy.
Okay.
I'll braid your hair and then I'll put those on, okay?
I want these colors, Mom.
Yeah.
No colors. No colors. Maybe more.
Beautiful. Yeah, it looks good.
Mommy, can I put this in this hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I like those roses. The crocodile with those roses. A cool rosy.
Hello guys! I'm Indy! With a bow on my head. Ate put a bow on my head. Did Ate put a bow on this head? Hello everyone! And Kuya, waving to the guys. Hello everyone! Nanonood ako ng incognito habang pinapakain ko siya. Kaya lang, nag-stop man halfway. Tapusin mo na ito, babe, para matapos ko din incognito ko, babe. Alright. Oh no, I'm gonna tickle the pickle today. Who's the pickle? Yeah! I think Indy's a pickle too. I wanna tickle.
What's this?
I wanna tickle the pickle. Who's the pickle? You're the pickle! Wow! May ubo din siyang konti. Si Dan yung tinamaan din. Si Dan hindi din feeling well.
Tsaka hindi ba, binigyan tayo.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Tika, tika. Tika, tika. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric right. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading,
Are you gonna help Mama?
Yes.
You're a strong boy? Alright, let's go. Oops. Inuna talaga yung may popcorn. Oh, good boy. Bring it in. And more, more. There's more. Put it back, put it back, put it back. Huy. Alright, bring everything in.
A push.
And last ones.
It's a heavy. It's a heavy.
Good boy. Last one. Thank you for helping. What's a guy stick ah? Oh, thank you for helping Mama. Oopsie. Thank you, boy.
Mommy.
Ah, wala na popcorn.
I have popcorn. Mom, I have popcorn.
Okay, just wait. Let me get Inday. She's crying. First time ko magpa-deliver ng groceries.
And popcorn.
First time ko ba? Yeah, I'm pretty sure first time. Definitely first time sa bahay na to. Nag-groceries ha. Kasi nga akala ko, nandito lahat ng bata. Akala ko sa lalala yung sakit ni Ayla and nandito lang yung mga bata. Kasi naka-ready na to. And i-click and collect ko na sana siya. But, pinadeliver ko na lang siya kasi I got free delivery. I think I spent, oh my gosh, meron din kasi akong milk. Mahal yung milk. 200 plus ata yung nabayaran ko dito. So again, walang fresh produce, walang mga meat, walang ulam dito. Yung meron lang na pagkain is frozen at saka yung mga chips, yung hindi gulay, hindi prutas. $234.35 ito lahat. So bumili ako ng nappy pants. So ito, in-order ko na siya online lagi. So yung sistema namin is ako na talaga yung mag-order ng mga ito. Tapos si Dan na bahala sa ulam, prutas, veggies, ganun. Siya na bahala kasi yun kailangan puntahan sa shop para mapili mo yung maganda na mga prutas at saka wait, para kayong tabingi. So yung ibang mga gamit ng bahay na pwede ko namang i-order online, ako na bahala mag-order online guys. So, dalawang jumbo pack ng napis ni Arlo. Milk, oil. Ano ko yan? Pang deep fry na oil. Ang cute ng bag nila, kailangan magbayad ng $1.50 para sa bag. Lahat na to, lahat na bag. So, bumili ako ng merong stock, sweet potato chips, at saka yung tempura chicken nuggets. Ito, masarap tong tempura chicken nuggets. Yan yung binibigay ko sa kids. And then, we got popcorn, kasi ito na lang yung natira kong popcorn. And then, bumili ako ng white vinegar, yung Coleslaw na brand. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko panglinis ng mga prutas, ganun. And then, itatry namin itong kape nito. Naka-half price itong kape na to. So, itatry namin from Lavazza. $50-something, tapos naka $20-something na lang siya. Kasi half price nga siya. So, itry natin. Kasi yung kape na ginagamit namin, guys, my gosh, hindi pa na nagsisale na. And sana magustuhan natin yan para at least marami tayong options. Para kapag nag-sale, yun yung bibili natin nila. And then, just Indies food. Ito yung mga snack lang ni Indy. So, yung main food niya talaga is yung mga ginagawa ko sa kanya. At saka milk. Tapos ito pang snack niya lang. Yung para may ninangat-ngat siya na nakakain niya talaga. Kasi mahilig siya magngat-ngat ng mga toys niya. But ito at least, meron talaga siya nakakain. Ito yung mas prefer ko. Meron akong tinry yung steak. Medyo messy yun eh. Ito, hindi, messy pa din siya, but it's not as messy as yung parang mayroon siyang powder kasi na coating. This one's good. From Baby Mom, so I just got the banana flavor and the vegetable flavor. Tapos in this bag, I got 2 of her milk. I'm just checking kung tama ba, yes. Yan yung milk niya, Aptamil Gold. And then dito, corn flour, kasi paubos na yung corn flour ko. White sugar, kasi paubos na din yung aking white sugar. And baking soda, kasi ito din yung ginagamit kong pang linis nga ng mga prutas along with the vinegar. So yan. And then I just got 2 coconut creams at saka 2 coconut milk. Pang stock lang sa pantry. And then dito, I got this. Hindi pa naman ginagamit ni Indy yung kanyang drinking bottle. But, nakasale kasi siya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung nakasale na siya nung check out ko siya. When I added it to cart, it was on sale. But feeling ko hindi na siya nakasale. Mga replacement straws lang for Indy's B-box na drinking bottle. Again, hindi pa niya ginagamit. But kapag ginamit na niya, syempre matudumihan na yon and we will need to replace it. Meron na akong isang pack nito actually. Nabili ko siya sa price line kasi nakasale yun, $6 na lang. And I got another one. And then we have this, just dryer sheets. And I got, ano nga ulit to? Degreaser ata to? Degreaser ba to? Yeah, I think it's a degreaser. Pang ano lang, pang linis. And then, nung nag-check out na ako, alam niyo naka-check out ka na tapos meron pang nag-pop up na mga products. Nakita ko to, nakasale siya ng 2 for something. Binili ko siya for Danny Boy kasi nga he's been drinking a lot of this lately para hindi siya ma-dehydrate kasi nga he's not feeling well. So, we got that as well. And then, more of the, ito nakasale din siya, so check out ko siya. Pang pabango ng bahay. So, I got the vanilla and soft cashmere. Sa lahat ng na-try ko, ito yung pinakamabango, yung vanilla and soft cashmere. Hindi ako mahilig kasi sa mga, hindi ako mahilig masyado sa floral na mga scent. Para sa akin, parang sakit niya sa ilong. Pero tinatry ko pa rin lahat. So, yung frangipani, tinatry ko siya last time, na-haul ko yung last time. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. So, inubos ko na lang yun. And ito nakasale siya. This is better. And then, ito yung hindi ko pa na-try, yung lavender. So, hopefully, mabango din yung lavender. Isa lang yung binili ko para lang siya, para lang itry. Kasi so far, sa lahat ng na-try ko, cherry blossom, na-try ko na din. And then, yung frangipani. Yeah, yung vanilla, yung mas bet ko so far. And then, nakasale ito, 50% off. So, I always look for ito. Kapag, binibili ko lang to kapag naka-sale siya and I stock up kapag naka 50% off. So, fluffy na fabric conditioner. Ayan.
Mommy, give me more.
More?
See?
I know. What?
I want some. Why did I not the popcorn?
You help me with the shopping later, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. I need a strong boy.
I did.
Yeah, you did, but I need more help
I did.
to bring it to the kitchen.
You're doing it, and you put the cheese.
I know, so we have to bring it to the kitchen. Pantry. 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 And the rest goes in the laundry. You excited? Init pa, B. Actually, no, it's not hot at all. Yan, yan. Nagpuput away ako ng groceries eh. Nagtawag na to. Sabi niya, Mami, oy, hindi mo ba ako pinapakain ng brekkie? Hey. So she eats 3 times a day now. You just had popcorn. No. Do you want strawberries?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you strawberries.
I want to put it right here.
You want to put it there?
And think it.
What? Okay, I'll get you strawberries.
And then think it.
That is funny.
And I don't know me head it. And I can't see. Mommy. Mommy. I don't know. Mommy, I'm not putting it here.
You don't need to use that bowl, just use this bowl. Use this bowl. Put that bowl back, put the bowl back. Put it back. Thank you. Listening. That's for mommy's nails. Alright, here. Come on, go. Okay, okay. Finish it, okay? Hello, hello. You love it? No. Come on. Oi. Here, this is your spoon. Good girl. Good eating. So, hindi ko na alam kung anong combination to, but ito yung isa sa mga ginawa ko, guys. Good girl. Is that exciting? Is this food very, very yummy? Where are the guys? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you, beautiful? Hello. Well done. No more. Well done. You wanna eat this one? This one. Let me this one. Sige. Nom nom. Nom nom. Is that yummy? Is that yummy, beautiful? Nom nom. Good job, Peppers. Oh no, something on your head. Uh-oh, paano napunta sa ulo man to, boy? Can I play with it? Ate Isla's mom. We got this book. So Thursday is library day sa kanila.
Oh.
And this is what she got. And then meron, oh, what is it again, ate? What's this again?
You learned cookies over it. You learned what it says.
Okay, so what are we supposed to do?
It says, learn what it says. Hey, the wire.
Okay.
So, because you can't cook that.
No.
Mom, did you know? Iron. Iron. You put them in the world.
Is Ate Isla the best girl in the world?
Yeah, hello. Oh, book one iron. Hello. I got a silly one in the horizon. Thank you. It's mommy, I said I like the silly one. And he said, thank you. Mom,
Are you a
that's
silly
how
boy,
to end the
Arlo?
bit.
No, I'm not.
I
Let me
want
see.
the iron.
Nagpunta si Daddy sa chemist.
Daddy got me medicine.
Yeah. But how do you feel? You feel good?
A little bit good now.
So this is for you guys.
And me?
It's headache tablets. Headache tablets.
Hello guys, I made this for the cousin and there's a rainbow right there. Mom, I did a rainbow right there.
Hello.
Mommy, this is for Eli here. I did a rainbow right there. And this says, I hope you get better, Eli. Really better for your holiday. I hope you have a good holiday.
Oh, that is very sweet, baby. Here,
And I
talk to
did
me.
another.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, they're leaving tomorrow. Ano, mag-Bali din kasi sila. Talk to me about this. What's this photo about?
So that is, another thing.
Yeah, and what were you doing?
We were building something.
Doing what?
We were building a zoo.
A zoo! You were building a zoo.
Amazing.
Look,
Was I 3 or 4?
there was a. You were 4. This is just this week. I think Wednesday. You had a really good feedback from your teacher. Good job, Isla. Good feedback. Wait, let me.
No way. I didn't know to say that, guys. From school. From mom, my mom got some flowers. Green ribbon band, and there's a stick. Says, Happy Mother's Day, I think. I did it. What is here? Is it the snow? No. What is that? It's something beautiful. It's good. It's not beautiful. I don't like it. You say I'm because you're not listening to me today. Get now. Dad, could you grab my clip? So guys, I was a bit cross because Anna today, he was throwing my clips. They were little. And they were in the floor, and they was lying on her tummy, watching me she was playing with her toys. And then, what happened? I know. I put the clips on the floor. He was sitting on the couch, crossing his legs.
Good.
This.
Were you talking to the guys? Look so pretty. What would you like for dinner? Pasta?
Maybe toast.
Toast? What would you like for dinner, Alo? Pasta?
What about lunch?
Lunch tomorrow.
No way.
You can have toast for breakfast tomorrow.
Mommy, can I please have toast? I'll give you this picture.
It's only 5:06 ang tulog ang ating Inday. So gusto ko nang kumain. Gusto ko nang initin ang aking dinner and kumain na habang tulog ang ating Inday. Pinato ko yung lobster head. Lobster head to. Binigyan kami nila Manay ng lobster. Dalawa yung binigay nila. Binigay namin kay Sharon yung isa. But hindi kasi nila kinakain yung ulo. So, pinaiwan ko yung ulo. Kakainin ko yung ulo today. Si Dan, meron na kasi siyang iba yung dinner niya guys. Meron na yan siyang low-calorie dinner. Yung binibili lang namin sa shop. So yeah, kinuha niya yung mga galamay. Yung ulo lang talaga yung iniwan for me. Kasi ito, tinatapon nila to guys. Siguro kinukuha nila to. Hindi lang namin siya makuha ng ayos kasi nga frozen siya. So we had to cut it. And this, I'm gonna cut in half. Tapos ilagay ko lang to sa oven saglit. And kain ako ng dinner. I'm cooking pasta for the kids. Sus, kung alam ko lang na matutulog si Indy, sana kanina ko pa to nilagay dun. Hindi ko kasi alam na matutulog siya. Nakadalawang naps na kasi siya. So yung nap niya ngayon, pang 3 nap na niya yan. Usually 2 nap lang yan siya. Sobrang malaman pa nito. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Grabe naman yan kamalaman. So, lagyan ko lang siya nitong black sauce. Ito yung pepper sauce. Guys, ako na talaga nagmamadali. Kain na ako kasi pag nagising si Indy, wala na. Hindi na ako makakakamay. 5:25 pa lang ng hapon. Sobrang aga pa. Hindi pa nga luto yung pasta ng kids. And okay lang kasi hindi pa sila gutom. So I'm gonna eat because I wanna focus on this. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Meron akong kimchi dito kasi wala akong gulay. Gusto ko magulay sana. And ganyan lang kadami yung rice ko. Konti na ako mag-rice ngayon eh. Kasi madami na ako mag-ulam. Kain tayo guys. Kasi dapat kasi dito, kinakamay talaga. Yeah. Ang si Dan hindi pa bumababa nandun pa sa taas. Gumagalaw ang Inday ko. Ayla, alo! Nagdodrawing na naman to. Ate! You ready for pasta? Yes or no?
Yeah, watch Teletubbies. Mommy, watch me. Mommy, watch me. Mommy,
You want your pasta now?
Mommy, watch me.
I'm watching, go! Whoa! Do you wanna try this, Alo?
What is that?
Lobster, do you wanna try?
Higher.
You hate it? Oh, my God.
It's a lobster with a boy.
Peter John gave it to you. Come on.
Where is him?
He's home. Come on.
Ah. Mommy, what is that really big one? Like the orange
You don't like it?
Yes.
Why not?
Is it biting me?
No, I don't bite you guys.
Cause
Daddy's coming.
Is that blood more?
It's not blood, mate.
What is it?
It's fat.
Is that his eyes, Mommy?
Yeah, it's got eyes.
Or is the eyes? What's the black? Daddy, is that the eyes? Is that really the eyes, Mom?
Yeah.
Mommy, what is it? Mom is jumping around. Mom is jumping around.
You won't jump.
Is Daddy's eyes? Mommy, Daddy's eyes? Can I touch the eyes?
You want to touch the eyes?
Yes. And I want to touch the eyes too? Yes.
Yeah.
I do. Where is it? Is the teeth in it?
Guys, it's not scary.
Is there teeth in it? I would touch it always. Is
got-
there teeth more?
No teeth.
Is it that?
It's got legs.
No, I don't see that. What is that spiky thing?
That's the legs.
Mom, still legs.
Yeah.
Why? What, is that a rhino?
Ang dami pang natira. Okay, ipasta na. Yun na nga. Hindi na tayo makapagkamay.
Is that his teeth?
Come on, Alo. Eat your pasta. Yes.
Bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.